Good day, YouTube. So, a question I seem to get a lot these days is, where are you from? Are you from South Africa? And I say, yes, I'm from Cape Town. Interesting. I was wearing my beret. It's in the lounge. And I can speak a bit of French. I'm a bit out of practice with French. I can speak German, Latvian a little bit, Polish, Slovakian, Serbo-Croatian, kind of. It's like a Dobar dan, kako si, or Labdien kateviet, maniet labi untev, maniet laimigs, ko tu dari tagad, vai ir augst, vai tu ne guli, vai tu maniet gulet, Pusdiana, like lunch. So yeah, it's strange. I don't know. I do have a South African accent as far as I know. Unless I don't. Depends. When I meet someone for the first time, I get very anxious. Well, not anxious. I speak in very polite English. So I'd say, hello, how are you? Yeah. But obviously there's informal English I speak when I know someone better. Or more acquaintance, like more of an acquaintance for friends. It's not necessary to speak in the most polite English.